Hi viewers, welcome to MK Wisdom. My name is Mohan Krishna. In this video, let's we know about different types of spices and condiments. Are you ready to learn? Let's come. Cubi pepper, carom seeds, turmeric roots, mace, long pepper, poppy seeds, gallnuts, betel nuts, green chilies, dried chilies, black cumin or nigella, mint leaves, tasting salt, citric acid or lemon salt, caraway seeds or shazira, anise seeds, ghee, dried ginger, saffron, Indian madder, coriander seeds, licorice roots, Szechuan pepper, asafoetida, black cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, dry fenugreek leaves, green fenugreek leaves, bay leaves or cassia leaves, star anise, nutmeg, chebulic, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, sesame seeds or zinzili seeds, blackstone flower, mustard seeds, black pepper, white pepper, ginger, mango ginger, garlic, chili powder, betel leaf, coriander leaves, curry leaves, oregano, wailing or kapok buds, crystal salt, onions, shallots, black salt, gooseberries or amla, thyme, rosemary, basil seeds or sabja seeds, rock salt, sandalwood, sugar, candy sugar or alum, sour mango powder, basil leaves, sago, jaggery, dried coconut, dalda, it means vegetable ghee. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Please tap on the bell icon. Thank you for watching.